Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and welcome if this is your first time seeing me. My name is Maggie Howard and I make lifestyle videos with elements of musical theater, food, occasional vlogging, beauty and fashion and all those sorts of things. So if you're interested in that kind of stuff, make sure to subscribe to my channel. It would mean so much to me because I have a goal of getting to 100 subscribers by the end of the summer. So if you can, please help me make that happen. Today I'm going to be showing you guys 27 different ways to customize your MacBook. I also planned this video out because I love being organized. I have all the different little things. Oh my goodness, it makes me very excited. So I'm just going to be going through my MacBook and showing you all the different things that I've customized or other things that you can customize. A lot of them took some digging to get to. I pretty much just sat down with my laptop for about an hour and searched through all the different system preferences and random little things you can customize that might make your laptop experience be more enjoyable or feel more personalized to you. So if you're interested in that, definitely watch this video. If you're a YouTuber and you want to screen record your MacBook, you just need to do Shift Command 5 and that will screen record it. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. So first, if you want to customize anything on your Mac, the main place you should go is System Preferences. To find System Preferences, you go up to the top left corner to the Apple and then you click System Preferences and then this whole shebang comes up. So I'm going to be walking through all of the different things you can customize. Some of these might be obvious to some people and special and new to some people. I don't know, I'm just showing all the ones that I found that I thought were pretty cool for you. For the first one, you're going to go to General, and this one you can do so many things on General. You can obviously make it be dark mode. If you want it to be dark mode, you can make it be auto, which I think is like when the sun goes down it turns to dark mode, but when the sun is up then it's light mode. You can change the accent color, which here you can see if it's purple, it would be like if I clicked on this right there would be purple, which I actually kind of like purple because it matches my screensaver, so I'm going to keep it like that. But you can make it any of these colors, gray, blue, whatever you want. Another thing that's a little bit different about my MacBook that I customized it. I really am bad at speaking today. Another thing about my MacBook that I really like is that I customized the automatic browser instead of being Safari because I don't really like the format of that to be Chrome, Google Chrome. So as you can see here, you can change it from Safari to Google Chrome. Basically how you can change it to be Safari, just search Google Chrome and then you download it to your MacBook and then once you go here, default web browser, and then you can select it, hi Google Chrome. I'll have a video, somebody else's video explaining it because I already did it, so I don't know how to explain it on my laptop. The next thing, you can click on the dock icon in System Preferences. You can organize your dock by moving the things off your dock and putting them into the middle right here. And then that'll get rid of them and you can organize it and move it around so it's less cluttered. You can change the size of it, so you can make it be really big or you can make it be really small. And this one is actually pretty cool. So if you turn magnification on, then you can make it be really big when you're going over it and small when you're not. You can have it be on the left or you can have it be on the right. Another cool thing in dock is you can change how you want to minimize your window. So I like the genie effect, which looks like this, or you can have it be the scale effect, which looks like this. I like genie, but whatever you want to do. Then you can mess with all these different things that I won't be getting into today, but one of them I will say is that you can automatically hide and show the dock. If you don't do that, it'll just always be here, but if you want to hide it, then it'll show up right there. Now we're going on to date and time. This is something I feel like a lot of people don't really mess with on their MacBook, but makes a really big difference, and I definitely like having as much information as I can on the little top bar of my Mac. So for this one, you just go right here to, where'd it go? Date and time. There we go. You can choose to show the date and time at all. You can choose if you want it to be digital or analog. As you can see right there. You can choose if you want to display the time with seconds, which I don't really like. You can have the time separators flash. You can have it be a 24-hour clock. You can make it show AM or PM. Some other things I don't think a lot of people know about but make a really big difference is showing the day of the week and the date. I just think it's helpful to be able to look up and just see the date. So here's how you can change that. Click just show the day, week, show date. Another thing that I think is actually kind of funny is you can have it announce time. So I'm gonna have it be on the quarter hour. So in 4 minutes for me, it'll go off and say the time. You can customize the voice. Fred.
The inside this fancy computer.
That's pretty scary, but okay. Let's see what Alex sounds like.
Most people recognize me by my voice.
Wonderful.
It's nice to have a computer that will talk to you.
This is scary. I don't like this. The trackpad is another thing that I think makes a really big difference, and people are very specific about how they like their trackpad to be. If they like it to be like the weird natural one from Apple, which feels very unnatural to me, this is another one that's really important to customize if it bothers you. So go to trackpad. In the more gestures section, you can see and learn a lot of new gestures to get different things or shortcuts for your MacBook that I didn't know about that are actually kind of cool. So I definitely recommend just playing around with that and learning some of those gestures you can use to make your life easier. Then you can choose all these different things. Swiping between pages, swiping between apps, notification center, mission control. You can change your movement of your trackpad, zoom in or out, all those kind of things.
It's 1:45.
It's 1:45. She told me. That's so funny. Okay, well, now I know the time. Let me go do my thing. I don't know what I do. I don't know what I do. What I do. So this next one is not in System Preferences. It is in Finder, which for me is in the dock. And here's all of this stuff. Something that I really like having that I know a lot of people don't for some reason is having a completely clear desktop. So my desktop looks like this, completely clear, nothing on it. I keep all my files in the Finder in my documents area, divided up into folders. As you can see here, I have all of my different videos planned out, and each one of them has a different like sub thing. Another thing that is super helpful is you can like make folders and folders and folders and folders, which you probably know already, but the shortcut to make a folder is Shift Command N, and then there's an untitled folder, and to delete, you click on it and it's Command D, delete. Another thing I really like mixing up sometimes is changing the view of the folder, so you can make it be like this, be icons, you can make it be lines, you can make it be like this kind of thing, or you have icons, but each one of them is smaller. Another thing for me is super helpful because it really bothers me when you move something in documents and then it's like slightly off of the other one. If that bothers anybody else, let me know, because it really bothers me. So something you can do that I think is magical is clean them up. So I'm gonna make a folder, title it something. So now they're kind of all messed up, so you can go to view and you can do clean up, and then they'll clean themselves up. You can sort by different things, last open, date added, date modified, date created, tag, size, all that kind of stuff, and then you can clean them up by, let's say, date modified. So those are some pretty handy things. Back in System Preferences, there's some other things that I just want to show you guys that a lot of people mentioned, but I still think that they are worth mentioning in this video. So you can go to desktop and screensaver, and then obviously you can choose your desktop picture, which I have this one, which I really like, and you can choose if you want to fill screen, fit the screen, whatever. Another thing is the screensaver. Obviously I just have this generic Maggie's MacBook Pro one, but you can make it say whatever you want, or like these things. And of course you can do the trendy number flippy thing, but I've seen so many people mention that in these kind of videos, I'm just not going to. If you want to know how, just Google it, it's there. Some other things along the lines of this that you can change are the time after you stop using your computer you want this to show up. You know, maybe 1 minute or an hour. With the desktop you can also have the picture change after, oh, that's kind of cool, after every 5 minutes, minute, 5 seconds, whatever. So that is it for this video. If you guys learned something from it, which I really hope you did, it would mean a lot to me if you like this video and subscribe to my channel, especially if you're interested in the other kinds of videos that I make, because I have a goal of trying to get to 100 subscribers by the end of this summer. So if you can help me make that goal happen, I would very much appreciate it. If you guys know of any other MacBook customization-y things, definitely let me know in the comments, because I love to learn from you guys as well. I hope you're having a wonderful day, and as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye.